my kitchen. Today I want to show you an absolutely simple and delicious recipe for Greek style roast chicken in the oven. Traditional, very, very traditional, and a classic Greek recipe. This recipe basically involves olive oil, lemon, thyme, and a little bit of garlic for a little extra goodness. It's that easy. Greeks eat this all over Greece, and in most restaurants they'll actually carry this. This is what they serve. And if this is your first time here watching my channel, buckle up. All right, so first things first, we're gonna have to preheat our oven 375 degrees Fahrenheit or about 180 degrees Celsius. Get that off and going, and that way while we work on our star here of the show, it'll be going on in the background. So here I've got a whole chicken. There's like a gazillion recipes for chicken. But you know what? Let's make this interesting and make it a little more flavorful. So for this, what I'm going to do basically is, let's get that out of the way, is create our seasoning or our marinade. So I'm just gonna grab myself a bowl here, get us going with that. And I'm gonna use the juice of 1 lemon. And you don't have to worry about getting the pits in the lemon, doesn't matter. There's a little sticker from the lemon. Nobody ever died of eating a lemon pit. So the juice of 1 lemon gets squeezed into our bowl, nothing complicated. So that's perfect, our lemon juice. What we're gonna do now is, to create a little more flavor, I'm gonna take and stuff the lemon inside the cavity of my bird, make it all nice and flavorful. This one won't fit, so not a big deal. The next thing to go into our marinade is Greek extra virgin olive oil. Very easy, nothing complicated. You're gonna do about 1/3 to 1/4 of a cup, depending on your taste. Fresh black pepper going in, some salt goes in. All right, the next thing to go in is some garlic. And for this, believe me when I tell you, you cannot have enough garlic or too much garlic in a recipe. That's perfect. Got 3 nice cloves of garlic in there. And get this in the, oops, that fell, no big deal. Move that off here. I'm gonna take now some thyme. I love thyme. This is on the drier side, so I'm just gonna break some up in my marinade. And it gives it such a beautiful flavor, a really, really amazing flavor. I absolutely love it. And that, my friends, is our marinade. Let me grab a little whisk here. And nice and easy, just stir it up. And the beauty about this marinade is that you don't need, to put it on like 4 days in advance to get like maximum flavor. Absolutely not. This will work just the way it is. So I'm gonna take this, let me find my brush here, that's perfect, and start basting or spreading the marinade, this rub, all over your bird. It is absolutely that easy. Nothing complicated. The flavor is gonna go all over. This is gonna be like yummy with a capital wow. Like, that's how good this is gonna be. That's perfect right there. And what I like to do is leave a little bit of the marinade, because about halfway through, I wanna give it a quick baste as well. So now that our bird has been seasoned or flavored up, what I like to do next is add just a little bit of salt as a coating over this on top. Absolutely full flavor deliciousness, and a little bit more cracked black pepper. So that way it's got a nice coating on it. I'm gonna pop this into my oven, and then as we get closer to the doneness, I'm gonna hook this up with a beautiful mashed cauliflower that's gonna go with this, and it's gonna be absolutely magnificent. Here we go, my bird is right out of the oven. Absolutely gorgeous, turned out perfectly, absolutely perfect. And if you guys wanna know how to actually test to make sure your chicken is done properly, grab a thigh and look at this. It just literally falls apart. It's done. But that's the good news. So now, let's put this puppy together. We're putting a really healthy meal together. So, what I've done is actually, I've made some mashed cauliflower. I'm gonna include a link in the description below for this. This is low carb, super delicious, keto friendly, and my God, is it ever freaking delicious. This is amazing. So just let me grab something to empty this out in, because what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna serve my chicken family style. And that's perfect, just spread it out there because our chicken is gonna go in the middle of this and is gonna be absolutely scrumptious. So that's perfect, like that there. Now, I'm very simply gonna take my chicken, even though I got rid of I kind of broke apart the drumstick, that's not a problem at all. And please be careful you do not burn yourself because this is hotter than sin. So that will go in there, just like that. And that, my friends, is what I call a bird in the nest. So this is perfect. Let me just put that little drumstick there where it belongs. And that's it. This is absolutely it. I am so excited. So that's it for this episode on my Greek style roast chicken. I thank you guys very much for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share this with your friends. It's a very easy meal to make, and who doesn't love chicken? It's a pretty safe bet that you can kind of please everybody. And until next time, again, I'm Ken. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.